welcome to Review. So today we are going to be reviewing some Apple products that you see. Obviously they're on the table.
So first we've got an Apple Pencil.
Okay.
iPad Pro, which is the latest generation.
Yeah, 11 inch.
11 inch. And this is the Smart Keyboard Folio, which is also from Apple.
Yeah, Smart Keyboard.
So which one we're going to open first?
The Apple Pen.
Apple Pen?
Okay.
Pencil? Okay, this one? Okay, so let's open it.
Folio.
Oh, nice. And the
So
package.
there's actually some stickers, so can I pull this up?
Yeah.
So there's just some plastic wrapping on it. This is the pen itself, so it says that it has the Apple logo and the pencil on it. So it's very smooth. Very smooth. You want to try?
Yeah, it's very smooth.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
So this is the, so I think this is the part where you charge it. Like, where do you charge it?
Yeah, I think you just stick it to the iPad and then
Yeah.
it's
I don't know that.
okay, and then this has some small battery and then they're saying replace the tape, double tap to change modes, magnetically attached to iPad Pro to pair, charge and store.
Yeah.
So yeah,
It's perfect for this.
so let's put this back in.
And where should we put it?
Yeah, let's put it on the table, this one.
So that we can try it out later.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
Put them away.
Yeah, now which one do we open?
Now we can open the pen.
Okay.
Pen.
Let's see how the packing is. One second.
I'm pretty sure you open it from this side.
So
Yeah, it's just this. You need to pull it out.
just see the wrapper around that. Okay, let me see. Try with mine.
Yeah.
And it's okay.
Yeah, this is on
The can I open
is
Yeah, you open on the other side too, then it will be easy.
can
Yeah, one
You
second.
can open that one. Yeah. So this
And so this looks nice.
so this is the iPad.
Okay, before that, right, let's see what's on the box of this iPad Pro 11-inch third generation. What does it have? It includes iPad Pro 11-inch USB-C charge cable and a USB-C power adapter. Not all features available in all areas.
It's 256 GB.
Yeah, it's 56 GB. And let's see what's in the package once quickly. So this is the user manual, I think. And then there's a Type-C cable.
The ones
And,
that are nice.
And then
there's
this-
the charging.
yeah,
Yes.
the charging cable. Yeah.
Can I pull this up?
Alright.
So there's this iPad itself.
Let's put this away. Put this away.
That's it.
Yeah, put it there.
Okay, give it to me. Give it to me. And this.
Nice. So, wow, it's lightweight. Not very heavy, right? 11-inch.
Can I try it?
Yes.
And hold it. Yeah.
Yeah, this is not very like that.
Yeah. And
How-
I
how-
have noticed something.
How does it feel on the hands?
It's
It's
very
matte
smooth.
finish.
Yeah. it's
And
very
also, you
smooth
can
with
see
the pen.
this. This is not a button. This is for the charger. It sticks, I'm pretty sure. Yeah,
Oh,
it sticks
really?
like that.
Oh yeah.
And here is the volume button.
Yeah, the pen is to draw something on that.
Yeah, or
A nice Apple
Apple
logo. There's a
something
little
mirror,
camera.
like dull mirror.
And then there's a microphone over here. You see the Type-C cable
Yeah.
port.
And what are these?
Here are the speakers, and this is the pogo pins, I think. Some
What's
pins to connect to the keyboard.
So should I turn it on? Or should we wait until the keyboard?
Yeah, so we can open this one and then we'll turn it on.
Can I?
Yeah, sure. we can
Wait, let's see how you open it.
Let me see how it is. Yeah, just a box you need to open. Yeah, try it.
No car. Can you open the window?
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sure.
And then.
Yeah.
So yes, this is the newest generation. Oh, be careful now. You have to open it. You have to pull this. Pull this.
Yeah.
Oh, be careful.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is nice. This actually looks like the iPad.
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
put
this
it
is so
aside.
soft.
Okay, let's see what's on this one.
Yes.
iPad. It works with iPad 4th generation, Air, and iPad.
And this here is how many ways you can put it.
So this is manual, so you can
Small
put it back.
laptop.
And then
This?
this picture.
This looks like a small laptop.
Yeah,
right?
this is like
Can I
a
see?
small laptop.
Yeah, so I think you have to put the thing like this.
Yeah.
Is this how you put it?
Yeah, that's the camera slot,
Okay,
right?
so how do we like?
Yeah, you just pull this. Yeah, here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
We
this
can
is,
play games too.
Yeah,
yes.
I know.
So the keys are like rounded squares,
Yeah,
Yeah.
not very. They're a decent size.
yeah.
Yeah, they're like medium
And
size.
kind of not exactly smooth.
So the only
But-
problem is it doesn't have the trackpad like the regular laptop has the trackpad, right? So
Yeah,
it's
but it's touch screens.
it's touch screen and then the keys
Yeah,
are okay.
and these
And
are.
it's
I think these are like medium size.
Yes.
and this looks like a fabric, right?
Yeah, when you look at it in light, it just looks like fabric.
Yeah.
I think that they wanted to make it look like fabric.
Or maybe it's some kind of fabric, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is okay, right? This
Hey,
magnet
kids
is
can
power.
use it too.
Yeah, as long as you're careful what you're doing, what you're watching and all, with the help of parents.
The small kids can use it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is-
So yeah, you can even use it as.
But
a
you need to
baby.
get help from the grown-ups when you are opening some apps or
So-
some stuff like
Or
that.
some games.
Some games or
I'm gonna turn it on.
movies or YouTube, whatever.
Turn
Yeah,
it
turn it on.
on. I'm gonna pull it for you.
Up, or, yeah, the logo is started showing.
So we got this from
Costco.
Costco.
Yeah, Costco.
And the camera here,
The screen is too big than the
Yeah, it's a dual
keyboard,
camera.
right?
so it says
Black,
hollow,
hello, different languages it is saying.
bonjour,
Both,
This some other languages.
and some other language.
nice.
Nice. Okay, so I think it's good.
It's saying
Hello.
hello. So here it's saying the stuff. Okay.
So it's 76%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It came with 76%.
So I'm selecting English,
And
country,
yeah,
and let's see what
it's
next.
already with.
What else?
Um,
Quick start.
okay.
Bring your current iPhone or I know I don't have an iPhone or an iPad, so it has to be a fresh setup.
Totally new.
You set up, so it says you can set up manually, and then you can select your Wi-Fi network. It will ask for password. It automatically synced. I mean, started. This keyboard started working automatically. I think as soon as we stick it right, that pogo pins are communicating.
Yeah.
Okay, let me put the password in.
Who password do you put in?
It's a Wi-Fi, our Wi-Fi password.
Yeah, it is everyone password.
Yeah, it's all devices use the same password in the home, right?
Yeah, only in this home, not.
So it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Apple collects hardware identifiers, data privacy. It says this icon appears and Apple asks you to use your personal information. It's a continue. It says to set up the Face ID, so I
You
can
can set it up
later, and then it's asking for a passcode. So let us set a passcode.
Yeah.
Okay,
Where you enter your password.
it's a 6
Normal
digit.
steps for.
And then it's saying, yeah, don't transfer apps and so it's asking apps and data. How you want to use transfer apps and data to this iPad. Okay, it says transfer directly from iPad, move data from Android. You have you don't transfer apps and data. So if it's a new ID, you don't have to do. So it says sign in with Apple ID to use iCloud, App Store, and other Apple services. So if we don't have one, you can create one over here. So let's do forgot password or
Create a free Apple ID. So the setup is finally completed. So we created the Apple ID. So here are the apps here. So
okay.
yeah, the measure. So this measure app, it can measure like. So there's a measure app which is default, and it can measure stuff with with a pretty good accurate like measure.
So what are these apps? So FaceTime, as everybody knows, calendar, clock, home,
photos,
camera. Let's see.
Yeah,
There's a camera.
Okay.
The camera is. Let's see. Let's see how the camera
Let's
is.
take a photo.
Yes. Smile, Abby.
Did it come? I don't.
No, she didn't come. Abby got mistaken.
That's okay.
We'll try selfie now. Okay.
Yeah, selfie is better.
Okay. So one.
Okay. Very clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a good camera.
So, yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
I think the weight wise it's pretty good actually. It's
Very
not very
lightweight.
heavy.
Yeah.
So there's like medium. So there are some other apps, reminders, notes,
Notes,
voice memos.
So you can record the voice memo,
Contacts,
maps,
find me,
find my iPad thing, iPad or iPhone app.
So the problem works with Apple.
Let's go like take one more selfie.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's take this type of something.
What do you want?
Oh, this is better. Hey Siri, take a selfie.
Yep, it works. It did.
Take?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think so.
Hey Siri, take another selfie. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? This side. Hey Siri, can you take a selfie? I don't know if that's taking or not. It's opening the app.
Oh
but
yeah, I
don't
think
know.
it just took it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
So anyway,
So they're here in the second page. There's GarageBand, shortcuts, pages. Let's try pages with
yeah.
the
Let's connect the pencil. We didn't try the pencil yet.
Yeah.
So
No wait, I think.
how does it connect?
Wait, let's see. I think because for it to connect, we need to probably put it here. Did it connect? Maybe we should just use it.
No. Yeah, right.
Can we draw something?
Yeah,
Let's
I think-
see.
Yeah,
Oh,
now it
let's
shows
do
the
it.
pencil there.
Yeah, so that means it works.
Yeah.
Can you try?
Yeah, no, let's see first. Continue.
Continue,
Yeah.
continue.
Try writing few words here.
Okay.
You can write anything.
Then I should write again.
That's
Okay.
cool. So whenever I high, it recognizes.
Explore double tap.
Wait, 1 second.
I'm not gonna draw something.
Yes, you can. We're first trying.
Who's that?
We're first widgets. Press and hold the widget. Okay, let's open
This is an
up.
iMovie.
What's a 9movie?
It's an app so you can make
Oh,
videos and
iMovie. Yeah.
you can
iMovie
edit
is
our videos.
way easier to do it there. Hi.
Nice.
Okay.
Very good.
Hi.
That's good. And then
Can I try the sketches?
yeah.
So I
Is
think
there
I
anything
saw-
called a sketch
No,
app?
I think I saw a sketch option in notes
Mm-hmm.
because I saw this this
Okay.
is that? Oh yes, you can draw. Can you make a new one? Is it that?
Mm-hmm.
And now can I
Wait,
do?
wait.
After you have to make a new one.
So there's a bunch of color options. So and there's a ruler. You can use a ruler. And what's these? There's also draw with finger, pencil settings. No, I think you need to click that to draw.
Sound right already.
Oh.
Now can I draw it?
Yeah, it's working. So what is this line? There's actually a line.
So here you write and on the top it will.
Oh, so you can write a story with whatever you want.
You can move this side because you're blocking it. Yeah, yeah.
I can.
What color?
Okay, you do
So,
it. Yeah, you can do it like this.
okay.
Let me see.
So if you want it to be thicker, I think you need to choose the other options.
I don't want to be thicker.
So you want this. Yeah, that's nice.
And some eyebrows.
Okay. So you're just drawing a little person there?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
That's
So
nice.
it's a little person that you drew. And see, I like the 11-inch one because I'm able to hold it like this. If it were like 12, yeah, if it was. I have a bigger palm, but
12-inch would be a little bit harder,
Yeah,
and there are
it's
chances it could fall.
yeah,
That's
it's
big.
yeah. There you go. Okay, that's it,
Well,
right?
you can do it later.
We can do it later. We can draw all what we want. Okay. So because the video is getting
What
longer.
about So is there any Apple TV here? Because then we
You can
can
set
try
up-
the
Yeah,
audio, right?
yeah, you can do it. Maybe we can.
This is too long.
You need to sign up for Apple.
Just
Oh,
wait, get this.
So let's see. It's just
Here's some stuff.
trailer.
What's
Let's see
this?
the trailer.
This is longer than 1 hour.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
Why don't we do something? I don't know. So
Yeah, we can do some. Maybe we can install YouTube, etc., and then we can test more.
is there Chrome installed? Or do you
Nothing.
need
We
it?
have to install. Yeah.
Yeah.
None of the
What kind of
Google
games
Yeah.
does it
apps
have?
are there here.
What kind of games does it have?
Doesn't have any games. We
You
have to
need to
install.
install them.
We can install and we can do another review, detailed games and.
Games review, that could be the gaming part. But I think it could be good for gaming too.
Yeah, it will be. It's excellent for games and all. Yeah, there are a lot of videos on YouTube where you can see like benchmarks and stuff like that. But this is more like a, our how you feel it and what kind of basic apps it got, and then the basic review.
Setting up.
Yeah, setting. Yeah,
So the measure app, that app, you can measure stuff.
yeah.
Like,
So let's measure the length of
Okay.
this keyboard. Let's see if it works.
okay,
How do you do it?
okay,
Yeah,
so
first you have to
you need a
start over.
like,
So yeah,
yeah.
so let's
wait,
first you need to set a point,
set up
add a point, okay,
yes.
and then you
You
take it to the other corner, and
that
then
is 17,
18
18
centimeters.
Okay,
and
we
then
can check that later.
and
23.
yeah,
So
so 23 by 16. That's a lot.
I think it was 18.
Yeah, 18.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is getting like longer than 1 hour.
Yeah. So that's it. It's a very good device. I like it especially because it's smaller in hands and it's a little bit lightweight
Yeah.
compared to the 12.9. I thought of going for 12.9, but it doesn't have the one that's there. the variation that I was looking for, the lower
How
storage.
much size it is?
It is 11 inch.
Oh, lower storage?
Yeah, I was, because it's very expensive, right? So I was looking at it go for a lower storage with a bigger screen. But this is a smaller screen with a higher storage, which is okay.
It is
I mean, it's
72%.
not that. It's not a big difference
72%.
from 12 inches and 11 inches.
The percent is almost done. I think we have to put
No, 72 is
70 is
not.
good enough. So yeah, okay, that's it for the
Yeah.
video. Okay, thank you.
So
See you on
bye.
another
Bye.
video.
See you another video.
Bye.
This is Ravi signing off.
Rav, you signing off. Bye.
So bye.